If you own a pool company, this is for you. Most pool businesses make great money in season, and then the off season hits and everything slows down.
The cash flow dries up. But here's the truth. Your off-season paycheck is already sitting inside your business, waiting to be activated. Here's how you get it without side hustles or taking on debt. First, and this is the foundation for everything, switch to no-fee credit card processing with a partner like Deposit. It's also called dual pricing. When you do this, you immediately keep an extra 3 to 4% of every single dollar you're already processing. That money gets funneled into a separate bank account, an account you don't touch during the busy season. That becomes your monthly paycheck when the pools are closed. This isn't new revenue, it's your money that you're finally keeping. Once that foundation is set, you start stacking. Second, sell winter equipment checks. Think about it. Heaters, pumps, filters, leaks. Winter is when homeowners finally have time to notice the problems. A simple inspection turns into high-margin repairs, upgrades, and spring work that's already on the books before the rush even starts. You're leveraging your existing customers and equipment to generate income when you need it most. Third, get ahead of the season. Homeowners spend winter planning, so pre-sell your spring openings. Offer remodel discovery calls for resurfacing or tile upgrades. Collect deposits now. This gives you immediate cash flow before a single pool is even open. You can even turn your expertise into a simple homeowner course on pool care with Deposit's AI Builder. Create it once and get paid all winter. See the pattern? The strongest pool companies don't panic. They don't chase random side gigs or take out loans. They activate their core off-season paycheck first. Then they stack these simple, industry-specific income streams right on top. If you want help building this system, book a call with Deposit. We don't just set up payment processing. We show you how to make more money, even when your season ends.
Are you ready to activate step 1 of your off season paycheck? Book a call at deposit.com and we'll get you switched.